Hi, I'm Martyna and I'm the Youth Ambassador for Ocean Research and Conservation Ireland. And today I'm going to be talking telling you about how to read a scientific paper. So scientific papers can be long, complicated and really hard to understand, but with just a few steps you can easily read a scientific paper, and you get better at it the more you do it. So first of all, let's start with the features of a scientific paper. So a scientific paper usually always has a title, then an abstract, a method, the figures or the results, then a conclusion or summary, and a discussion. And scientific papers are usually published in periodicals, which are called journals. And they follow the IMRD format, which is an abstract followed by the introduction, methods, results, and discussion. So there are 4 steps just to follow while reading a scientific paper to do it correctly. And the first is to skim the paper. So it's get the bigger picture by just reading the title, the keywords, and the abstract, because this will describe the major findings and why they matter. So just read it kind of not really in too much detail without taking any notes, and then focus on the headings and subheadings so you know what you're looking for in a way. And then look at the publishing date, because usually current research is a lot more relevant than older research. However, if you're reading a science paper that's older, that's fine too. And note any terms and parts that you don't understand, so you get a better understanding of it when you do read the paper correctly. So the second step is to reread the paper. So go over it again and ask yourself questions. And these may include, what problem is the study trying to solve? Are the findings well supported by evidence? Are the findings unique and supported by other work in the field? And what factors might affect the results? And if you are unfamiliar with key concepts, inform yourself about them using other sources. So step 3 is interpret the paper. So examine graphs and tables. Try to interpret the data of the graphs and tables before reading the captions that are underneath, so you can try and figure out yourself what the study is trying to show. And when reading the discussion and results, look for key issues and new findings, because that's what you're looking for really. And make sure the main points have been distinguished. If this has not been achieved, look over the text again. Just make sure that you know what the main points are. And the last step is summarize. So take notes, because it improves your reading comprehension for future scientific papers that you will be reading, and helps you remember the key points on that certain study. And highlight the key points and take notes on the article as well, like write little notes next to that part and things like that. So that's basically how to read a scientific paper. I hope this was helpful, and thank you guys for watching.
Hi guys, so I just forgot to say that a reference list may be present at the end of a scientific paper, and if there is one, this is just how it looks. Okay, thanks guys.